Okay, so let's say you had a 2x2 factorial design. Um, they're both between subjects factors, as we say. So different subjects get different levels of each variable. So let's say here's your design here. You got subjects, as we all know. I love Mad Men, so that's why that's my background today. So we set this up with SPSS. It's actually really pretty straightforward. So like I said, you've got the thing here. I'm going to go down and grab below. I've already set it up, of course, on SPSS. It's like a cooking show. Here's one I've already set up for you. I've got different variables. Move that out of the way. Okay. Let's take a look at the variable view, actually. There we go. And I always put subjects in, or often I do. It's good practice. You'll see why as the term goes on. This is pretty straightforward. Of course, we got our dependent variable and A and B, which are two independent variables that each have two levels, two factors. So you can see there's that subject there. Okay, is the first one, and we go on. The subject number is useful for a lot of reasons. A lot of times it just keeps you, it allows you to identify subjects, obviously, but it also keeps you honest, sort of. Anyway, pretty easy to do. Analyze, and then general linear model there, and univariate. And pull it up. It doesn't keep you honest. I don't know what I said that for. It keeps things organized. Let's get rid of this. It's in my way. Excellent. All right, so we got the different variables. We've got our dependent variable, and let's bring that over there. So we're going to click on it and click on dependent, and there it is. And then A and B into the fixed factors. Now remember, fixed and random factors. We actually could use random factors here. As I mentioned in the lecture, we don't tend to do that. And let's look. We got a couple interesting options here that we can choose from. We could do post hocs or something, but not really with a 2x2. You're not going to. If you find an effective A, it means A1 is bigger than A2, or A2 is bigger than A1. You can see that from a graph. But there are things we can get here. So let's take a quick look. We do plots, so you can actually make little graphs. We're not going to have to do this here. We've got the means. We could actually do that. But it's easy enough to do. So this just shows you, though, next year when you're doing your thesis, this is how to do it. It's really easy. Okay. We could go down, though, and take a look at what we have here for options. And I clicked on that, and oh, it's below. It's the screen below. I've got the stacked monitor set up here at home. So let's pull that up. Oh, I didn't grab it very well with my mouse. There it is. My mouse is kind of very Canadian there. So you can see you got some stuff here. You get descriptive statistics is something I usually choose. It's useful to have. And there's other stuff we could do there. Most of them are things that are not that useful for our purposes, but you could do it. If you'll clickaroo, and we're all set. Here we go. And the analysis comes up on the other monitor, and I pull it up, and look, there it is. So we got two different, we've got the various statistics here, but the important thing as we scroll down is that we've got the A effect, the B effect, and the interaction. Hey, look, it looks like I have an A effect, a B effect, and an interaction. Yay! So that's how you do it, and it's not that bad. In fact, it's really pretty straightforward. I would go so far as to call it pretty nice. Any questions, ask them.
Hey, look at all the cars.
Yeah.
This looks pretty nice.
Pretty nice.
Pretty nice.
Affirmative, Dave. I read you.